Flour has been part of human life since the beginning of time. It is used to make all kinds of baked goods and is an essential ingredient in many dishes around the world.
The first mills appeared in Europe in the 13th century. Although picturesque, they are quite simple in terms of technology, and today, mills are thoroughly modern enterprises.
This is exactly what the grain and milling companies that are part of the National Food Industry Group Capital Group do. They produce wheat and rye flour and mill wheat and rye for retail and industrial purposes for bakeries and other businesses. Before the grain is milled, it must be tested for the presence of pests and contaminants. Here it is assigned the appropriate quality class. Now the grain can go to the mill. It is transported hundreds of meters through pipes to the top of the building, where it goes through the next stages of production, which include multiple cleaning processes. After this process, it is sent for remilling, sorting, and sifting. This process is repeated several times to obtain the right flour parameters. As one of the largest flour producers in Poland, Stosław uses reliable Swiss technology. What is making great progress is, above all, the increasing automation of production and the use of modern materials. Machine manufacturers focus on efficiency here so that the process is as efficient as possible, so that the raw material is used to the maximum. From just over a kilogram of grain, 1 kilogram of flour is now obtained. Whereas not so long ago, 2 kilograms of grain were needed to produce 1 kilogram of flour. The Stosław mills are not only famous for their flour, but also for their popular oat flakes. As with the flour, the grain is first checked in the laboratory and then stored in a silo before being repeatedly cleaned in the mills. The oats are then steamed to give them their flavor. At this point in the process, the husk is removed from the grain. The grains are then halved, creating instant flakes as an alternative to flakes made from whole grains. Both types must go through a crushing and drying process. The raw material is the most important factor in milling, but the right technology, its advancement, and of course the human factor, I mean the miller who ultimately has to do all this on the line, are also important. Samples of each of our products are thoroughly tested in the laboratory. Among other things, the quality of the baked goods made with our flour is checked. Both flour and groats, as well as cereals, are sent here to the packing room. Thanks to IT systems, the packaging process in our company is mostly automated. Here is one of our latest investments, an autonomous forklift, one of the most modern in the country. Every year, our company produces over 100,000 tons of flour.
After all we have seen, the windmills are now just an open-air museum. They are charming, but far removed from the cutting-edge technology that guarantees that our flour, groats, and cereals are of the highest quality.